Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 21st, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the Kiwi dollar, this move up is really not that impulsive. But because of the US dollar index and because it looks like a complete A, B, C correction to me on the 4 hour time frame, then an impulsive up, then a break of structure, I need to continue to stay bullish. Even if it does make a move to the downside, I'm still going to be looking at that as possibly just a pullback within an uptrend, unless we start getting some very significant breaks of structure to the downside on like the 4 hour time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive movement up. It is going down, and it potentially is probably going to go down all day. It's probably going to make at least some sort of a move like this. And if it does make some sort of a three-way pullback to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and an impulsive move up, then I definitely am going to take it as a long. On the other hand, if it decides to go down and stop breaking structure with momentum, which the last structure is right here, then after the break of structure and after the pullback, I would start looking for shorts. But because of the reasons I explained on the 4 hour time frame, I am definitely still very bullish, and I am definitely still waiting patiently for three-way pullbacks to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.